Did you know your brain can process and encode memories in just 60 seconds? That's right, 1 minute. Here's the catch. Your brain doesn't just store all experiences passively. It filters them. In fact, around 99% of what you experience gets discarded as irrelevant. Basically, your brain's like an editor, picking only the highlight reel of your life to keep in storage. But here's what's wild. Your emotions determine what makes it into the vault. When something triggers a strong emotional reaction, whether it's joy, fear, or heartbreak, your brain prioritizes it for storage. Think about it. Every intense moment you remember is like a VIP pass to your mental memory bank. Now here's the game-changing part. By taking deliberate actions or focusing on key emotions, you can train your brain to lock in the memories that matter most to you. Subscribe to Grow Your Brain, one bite at a time.